Yeah, good day guys. So I'll be showing you guys a video on Microsoft AI for beginners. Actually, it's actually free. So this is just what it looks like. I'll also drop a link to it below. So this is artificial intelligence for beginners, a curriculum by Microsoft. So they're going to be teaching all about AI, artificial intelligence. So down here is actually what their readme file. This is actually their readme file. If you watch here and what it all contains, then they are looking to offer a 12-week 24 lesson curriculum on all about artificial intelligence. So these are what you will learn: different approaches to AI, including the good old symbolic knowledge with approach with knowledge presentation and reasoning. Then you learn neural network and deep learning, neutral architectures. Then down here is actually the course content, the scheme of work actually. So this is the intro, this is the PyChart, the program you build by PyChart, this is the program you build by TensorFlow and your lab. So these are the courses according to their sections and how all they are gonna cover. So this is actually free, completely free. So you just have to do it, and it's just actually 12 weeks. But if you are self-paced and if you are fast enough, you can finish it within that period. So these are actually the course and how to get started. So I'll just drop a link below this video so that you have access to it and read more about it. So if you have any question or any guidelines we give you, just drop a comment below and we assist you. Thanks. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you.